Hello folks, this is Tim from Haggerty MotorsportReg here. This will be a quick tutorial on how to find events on MotorsportReg using our event calendar. So when you first log into MotorsportReg, you'll see your name in the upper right hand corner here. And we'll first go over to the Find Events page. That's where we'll find the entire calendar itself. It does default currently by IP address, but if you can easily customize this to be wherever you'd like it to be. So I would suggest starting there with the location of your choice. And then also the radius as well that you'll notice here. It does default to 300 miles like our monthly calendar email that goes out, but we can easily customize that to either a closer or a further away radius. And from there, you can use this event type filter as well to narrow down your search to whatever kind of events you're interested in. In this case, we'll do high performance driver's education and open track, some of our more popular categories. So let's see if we can find something interesting in our list here. And when you see our list, it does give you a little image to give you an idea what the event's about. Of course, the title, who's hosting, and where it's taking place. So let's see if anything stands out to us here. Ooh, Road America. That sounds like a cool place I'd like to drive. And it looks like this one unfortunately has registration closed already, so we missed out on this one coming up next week. But let me take a look to see if there are any others coming up nearby that might be interesting as well. And if you want to look at events into the future, you could scroll down to the bottom here and you can jump ahead to some future pages and then just keep an eye on these dates. You'll find something that might work out better for you. Hey, here's another one going on at Road America at the end of June. Let's see if that's open and available. So if it is an event in the future and you don't want to have to hunt it down on the calendar again, we do have this Remind Me feature right here. If you use that, you can go ahead and just plug in your email address. And what that'll do is send out two notifications for you. It'll send out one when registration for that event opens, and it'll send out a second notification when that event is 1 week out from closing. So that way you don't necessarily have to know where you found that or what search you used in order to find these events. It'll automatically send you a link to this page later on. So if you do want to register, simply hit register now from the event advertisement page here. Select which profile you'd like to participate. And then you will have this profile questions page. This is the only time that you'll see this on a per club basis if they have any specific questions, such as a member number or if they're gauging some sort of interest in what kind of events you'd like to participate in with the club. You'll see that the first time that you sign up for one of their events, but any in the future, you'll bypass this and go straight to the actual event registration itself. Some other suggestions I'd have, if you'd like to have this calendar search automatically sent to your email every month, you can sign up for our monthly calendar email. That'd be in the My Account section. Just click into my own here. And in the mailing list here, you have this monthly calendar option that you can sign up for. That's designed to send out twice per month, once at the beginning of the month on the 1st, and once in the middle, right around the 15th, 16th. And that'll automatically send you those events coming up within 300 miles of your location. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at the MotorsportReg support team. Our email address is msrhelp@motorsportreg.com. Have a great day.